what truly drives you? It might surprise you. I was talking to a couple of you before, and you've been saying, I'm so pleased to be here, I really want to know what motivates me. I chose the word drive for a very specific reason, and you will find that out in about 15-20 minutes. So it's not necessarily motivation, okay, which is why I've said it might surprise you. What I'm sharing with you tonight are things that have really, really helped me to go from somebody who felt like a victim of life, who was extremely unhappy in her life, despite outward appearances. Everybody said, you have it all, the husband, the 3 kids, the house, the car, the job, the business, all of that. And that was true on paper, except that I had totally lost touch with who I am. But I just love these little misses, so I had great fun finding some of the little misses and putting them there. But seriously, what truly drives you? So my invitation now is for you to turn over that looks like a blank piece of paper. It is not.
Magic.
This is where it gets experiential.